Show. Just type it in, the Old Car Show, all in one word on YouTube.
Okay.
All right, well. Hey, y'all doing there today?
How you doing, buddy?
Y'all having a good time?
Yeah, we're having a great time.
Hey, you got a beautiful car.
Thank you very
I
much.
love the color of it.
Appreciate it.
All right, y'all have a good day.
You too.
That's hot.
Is this your first year here?
Yes, sir.
Where y'all from?
Louisville, Kentucky.
Okay, cool.
Where you from?
We're here in Louisville.
All right.
Homegrown. All right, y'all have a good day, man. On selling your car today?
Yes, sir.
It's cheap enough. You got it priced right.
Yeah, we do.
All right, see y'all. a good time?
Yeah.
Are you burning up?
I know the wind's blowing right here.
Oh, yeah? Ain't too bad. All right, y'all have a good day, man. Bring that thing up, man. Show today?
Oh yeah.
Good time?
Good time, always.
Hey, is this the car they shot JFK in?
I wasn't live in, I don't know.
I know, it is like
Right model, wrong year.
Yeah. Like this, I couldn't tell you when.
Well, they didn't make many of them.
And there ain't many of them around.
That's right.
There's about 10 of them here.
See the push buttons on the sides over there?
Yeah, it don't work. I got a different motor and an automatic.
But it's a cool car, man.
Thank you.
How you doing, everybody?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Y'all having a good time today?
Yes, sir.
All right. How you doing, man? Is this your first year here? Second? All right. Have a good day, buddy. How you doing there, man? Is this your first show?
No.
Yeah? How many you been?
It's about 4 or 5 of them.
I like the shirt, man.
Thank you. Take care.
How y'all doing?
Good, how you doing?
Not too bad. What you got underneath the hood of this thing?
360?
360? Is
Yep.
it built?
No, it's stock.
Is it stock?
Yeah.
Don't sound like it. Y'all have a good day. Hey, you reckon you can line my car, man?
Yeah.
Are you Paul?
Yeah.
All right. Have a good one, buddy. What you got here? 56?
56.
That's nice, man. Yeah. You have a good one, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What kind of street rod you got?
It's a good one.
Is it? What are you asking for your Nova, man?
50.
50?
50 on the spot. The bottom's prettier than the
Short
top.
son of a bitch, I'll tell you that.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
All right, y'all have a good one, buddy.
41.
41? That's short. Y'all have a good day, buddy.
All right, you too.
How you doing there, buddy?
Hey, what's happening?
Not much, man. You're having a good time today?
Oh, we're trying. Trying to stay cool.
Yeah, I know. It's hot in them old cars, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, you have a good one, man.
Get the AC on.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too. What year is y'all for here? Is it about a 55?
54.
54. Yeah. Well, that's a good looking car, man. All right, y'all have a good one. You got it for sale, I see. I'll put it up there. What are you asking for? 39?
39.9 or best offer.
All right. Hey, I don't know if you guys are keeping cool or keeping hot.
Hot. We're staying hot.
Yeah.
Especially like it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. All right, y'all have a good one.
Oh yeah, man. You too.
How y'all doing? It's slow. You're burn out. I can't hear it. What are you asking on your truck there?
70,000.
70,000. What you got underneath the hood?
5.3 turbo.
All right, y'all have a good one, man. All right.
You too.
Maybe yourself. What you got underneath the hood of this thing, man?
That's 350.
350. I bet it runs good, don't it?
Yeah, not bad. I can always do more.
All right, y'all have a good one. What year's your car, buddy?
39 AAA. 1939
39? Yeah, it's a good looking car, man.
Thank you.
How many years you been out here?
Probably about 30.
Oh, really? You've been here a long time, man.
Yeah.
All right, buddy, you have a good one. Hell, I don't even remember. I've heard so many numbers today. I don't know. Hot rod, there, buddy?
40 Chevrolet.
40 Chevrolet. How many years you been coming out here?
About 50.
About 50. I've met a lot of guys doing that today.
See you. Take care. Bye. I see you. Okay, be careful.
are, buddy?
52.
52? You been coming out here a long time?
Yeah, we.
How long?
Oh, I say we've probably been coming here 7 or 8 years.
Oh, really? Well, that's great, man. You have a good day, buddy.
You too.
Where y'all from? Where y'all from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. You come a long way. How many years y'all been doing this? Is this your first year?
Oh, hell no.
I know, you're an old timer at it, huh? Yeah. That's good, man. I'm glad to see y'all out
I've been
here.
doing it since 91.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty wild.